Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. All praises go to the Most High Yah. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another day. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Joyce McTeer, and welcome to another Crafty Vision segment. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to make a pair of earrings using some recycled denim. Okay, so basically, what I did was I cut out the side of the denim, as you can see. And this is about 22 inches long. Okay, you're going to need some wire cutters, round nose pliers, some scissors, of course, 2 fish hooks, and your glue gun, and some 12 gauge aluminum wire. I'm going to show y'all what I am using. This is the aluminum wire that I'm using. I purchased this from Amazon.com. It is on sale for $7 and some change for those of you who may be looking for some aluminum wire. Okay, it is on sale for $7 and some change. All right, this is what it's called, and the color is gold. All right, so you're going to need 2 pieces of that, and I believe I said 2 fish hooks. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So basically, the very first thing we're going to do, we're going to start wrapping our piece of denim. So I'm going to take my 12 gauge aluminum wire, and this is about, let me see, this is about 42 inches long. Okay, it's pretty long. It's real long, y'all. Okay, and the reason why I have it so long is because I'm going to show y'all a technique that I'm doing, and I don't want to run out of wire while I'm doing it. Okay, so all you want to do is just take your piece. You're going to come here and lay it over like this, and you're going to be wrapping it. All right, you're going to be wrapping this around your denim. So you're going to take, and as a matter of fact, I'm going to snip this off right here because I really don't need that. So that brings it down to about 19 inches. Let me see. No, it's 20 inches now. Okay, I'm gonna do that for the both of these. Boop, just like that. All right, so let me move that here to the side. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place it like this, and then I'm gonna start wrapping it just like this, bringing that out, bringing this over, going to the back, okay, bringing that out, coming to the front. When you do this, make sure you leave some space. You want to leave space in between. Okay, just like this. Go up. It doesn't have to be perfect. All of the space in between, they don't have to be the same size. Okay, you just want to make sure you leave some space in between. Okay. All right, let me show you what we have so far. That's what we have. You also want to make sure you leave a piece out, like right, just like this. We're going to go back to that once we finish wrapping this part of the denim. Okay, see what I'm doing here? Like I said, it does not have to be perfect. Okay. Now, you can probably do this with regular denim, and what I mean by when I say regular denim, without this part. But the reason why I'm using this part is because, for one, it has double stitching in it. It's going to really give the earring an abstract look. Okay, so that's what we have so far. And you just continue to do this all the way down your piece of denim. Yeah, y'all, we got this all the way down. See? Doing it all the way down. And like I said, it's not gonna, doesn't have to be perfect, because we're gonna be doing so many different things with this little, one little wrap that I'm doing. So many different things. Okay, and this is what you're gonna have. And we got this much left. All right, so we can go ahead and get that right on in. Your hands may get a little tired. If they do, give it a break. You don't want to pull anything or hurt your hand in any way. Okay. All right, almost done. Almost done. And as you are wrapping this, you do, want to apply, you know, some pressure to it to make sure that it's bending and, you know, bending like you would like it to. Now, see, some of my things in between, some of them are small, some of them are big. It's not going to really matter. Okay. All right. Now, when you get really close to the edge, because I think we did good, because I only got that much wire left. See, I think I did really good making it as long as I did. Now, when you get to this part right here, down to the right end, you're just going to come here and you're just going to start wrapping. See that? You're just going to wrap this around a few times, about maybe 3 times. Okay, just like that. You're going to have a little bit of fabric left at the tip. And you're just going to snip that just like that. Okay. And wait a minute, hold up. There's still some. There you go. Okay. Then you want to just come around like this and bring it just like that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 wraps on that part. Okay. Now we just want to just straighten this out, and we're going to come down on this end. When you come down on this end, you are going to take your wire, your piece down here, and you're going to wrap it, just wrap it around just like this, and add some glue here on that end. So we're just going to put some glue right there, just like that. Bring that over like that. And we're going to snip that off and bring that like that to seal it. Okay, so that's sealed. So now we're going to take our pliers, wire cutters, and cut that off just like that, so nothing is sticking. And this is what you should have. Your whole piece is going to look just like this. Okay, now you're going to come here and you're going to just snip that. All right, and basically the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our round nose pliers and we're going to come here and we're just going to make a loop. Make sure I'm doing this correctly. Make a loop right here. Okay, just like that. And we're going to start wrapping this like in a ball. Now, as you are rolling it in a ball, you can add a little bit of glue in between, but make sure that when you do it, that you add it so that it cannot be seen, but also it's going to hold it together because of the wire. So you just want to take and come here And do just like this, right on the edges. And bring it over like this, because you're going to be wrapping this just like this. See that? And you can do that in between, like every so often. Just go in between, just like that, as you are bringing it around. Okay, see that? Now you can decide on whether or not if you want whichever side you want to be in the front or the back. Is completely up to you on how you want to wear these. Okay. Okay. And we only have a little bit left. And I'm just gonna go right here and all the way up, just like this. Now when I get here, I'm going to just pinch this up like this. And it's going to set just like that. And then I'm going to take my loop that I made and just bring it over and tuck it down in here like that. And this part here, as a matter of fact, I think that I don't like how big that is, so I must cut that off and just bring it down. Now that's perfect. Okay, and then all you do is add on your fish hook. Okay, y'all, so if you stayed till the end, you will get the extra, okay? So now, I did not throw these in. I didn't even talk about these in the very beginning, all right? So basically, if you're familiar with the Dollar Tree, of course, I found this at the Dollar Tree, and it's velvet push pins, okay? Now, basically, what I'm going to do with this is we're just going to take this earring up just a notch, okay, by adding on these push pins. Now these are, normally I can just, it normally pops off, but it's not doing, there it is. So you just pop it off just like that. And all you're going to do, we're going to just take that up a notch, okay? Now, you don't necessarily have to do this if you don't want to. You can leave yours just like this and rock them. But I'm just going to add these on. Okay, put one there. Boop, right in the middle. And I'm going to pop another one off right here. And it's so many things that you can do with a lot of the stuff that you purchase from the Dollar Tree, y'all, to really give your earring a totally different look. All right, so here we have it. Now these are gorgeous. This is going to be the back, and this is going to be the front. And if you find yourself when you use the glue, you can just go around and clean the glue out if you choose to. It's completely up to you. But these are more so making these for yourself. If you decide to make these to sell these, then you're going to have to really be careful with how much glue you use, because you don't want to give anybody anything and it look like it's elementary, okay? And what I mean by that is, you don't want to give them an earring and then they can actually just see all the glue that's in there, okay? So that's why I said in the beginning that you have to make sure that, because see this right here? You just have to go in there. Like I said, when you're making stuff for yourself, it's totally different, but I really, really like these. So with that being said, thank y'all so very much for joining me. Please make sure once again that you thumbs up this video, you like and you share it, and go make yourself plenty, and you can do whatever you want. I see all of this in here. This is what I was talking about. See how that, yes. So with that being said, thank y'all so much for watching, and until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.